Hey there, today I'm unboxing a microphone. My previous microphone sound quality was very poor. That makes lots of noise, so that's why my brother ordered this microphone for me. I have put a link in my description box where you can buy it. Now I am going to open the box. Let's see what we get. So this is the microphone, the black and golden version. It is BM100FX, you can see there. Personally, I love its outlook, its build quality very good, its body actually made of plastic shell. Let's see the second part. This is Winnie sponge. This Winnie sponge fit over the microphone and minimize the harshness of certain consonants like P and B. Our next part is a microphone clip. By it we can attach the microphone at the center so the microphone is quick and easy to mount or remove. Our next part is a power supply cable, about 3 meter with 3.5 millimeter audio jack and USB connector. And a microphone stand. It is a freestanding mount for a microphone. It is made of metal and plastic and is really hard and strong. Okay, these all things we get from the box. Now we'll show you the microphone setup system. Take the clip and join with the stand like that and clip the microphone. Now we join the cable in microphone. This is XLR. You have to make sure that you plug the pointing in right away. Our basic microphone setup is complete. There are two jacks you can see. This one is only for power supply because this microphone you use is need a huge power supply. And this jack 3.5mm for audio input. I forgot to tell something. There are two knobs. First one is echo knob. If you turn it this way, it increases the echo, and if you turn it in this way, it decreases the echo. Same way, if you turn this knob this way, it decreases the sound, and if you turn it this way, it increases the sound. So my brother ordered this microphone from BD shop, and when he ordered the microphone, its price was 2000 taka. So that's all. Thanks for watching.